Dodo, you're stinky poop. You send him out.
You're so funny.
You're so funny, Dodo. Dodo, poop. Poopy. Poop. You pooped. No, I mean it. You really pooped. Poop. You look like you're crying. Poop. Oh. Poop. Uh-oh. Oopsie daisy. Poop. 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 Mommy, he pooped.
Right now?
Yeah, he really pooped. He smells bad. Ow! 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 Ow, Mommy!
People are trying to tell you you're wrong, that's why.
Ow! Oh, he's eating me. Ow! And he smells bad. Ow!
Oh, no wonder he laughs so much. He tried to... Oh, poop! Poop!
You can't
Poop.
do it like me. Dada. Dada. Poop. But he smells really bad. I'm not going to poop if he smells that bad. And he pulled my hair. And he put slobber all over me. Ew.
7-month-old baby, okay? Laugh so much by pooping sound. Poop! Poop!
Poop.
December...
Poop. I think it's the 8th.
8th.
Poop.
No, 7th.
No, it's the 8th.
Sunday, 7th.
No, it's the 8th.
Okay.
Poop. Poop. No, he really smells bad. Go change his diaper. Ow.
Okay. Okay. If your sister really thinking you're so stinky, we have to go. We have to do what we have to do. Love you. Poop.